Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, premium heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.